Good morning students, God bless you all. Today we are going to learn absolute value of real numbers. You have studied already the absolute value means it is the modulus of x, where your modulus of x takes the values plus x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and a minus x if x is less than 0. So now here is the definition. For each x belongs to R, x and minus x are equal distance from the origin. The distance of a number, the distance of the number is a which belongs to R from O. 0 on the number line is called the absolute value of a and it is denoted by within the bar the a. This is called as a modulus of a. For any x belongs to R, then this modulus of x can be written as plus x if x is greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. This is the modulus, that is absolute value of the x definition. Clear? Absolute value means it is nothing but the modulus of x. Some results based on the absolute values. If you have x and y, any two real numbers, then modulus of y plus x is equal to modulus of x minus y. Then your xy is equal to 0. This is when the modulus, when you go for the squaring on both sides, this will give you a plus b the whole square. Here you will have a minus b the whole square. Square values will get cancelled and you will have only 2xy values. That's why you will get xy is equal to 0 here. And second result, for any x comma y belongs to R, modulus of xy is equal to modulus of x, modulus of y. That is, product of the absolute value can be separately we can do the product. And same way for the division. Modulus of x by y is equal to modulus of x divided by modulus of y. For all x comma y belongs to R and this y value is not equal to 0. Okay. For any x comma y belongs to R, we will have modulus of x plus y less than or equal to modulus of x plus modulus of y. The sum value will be less than to the separate value of the sums. And coming to the properties, we are going to use these two properties only in the exercises. If modulus of x is less than R, absolute value of x is less than R means if and only if this x can lies between the plus or minus R, that is minus R less than x less than R. Clear? If it lies in this way means we can conclude if and only if means both the way it will be true, it will give the solutions. If it lies in this interval means we can also say that modulus of x is less than R. If x lies between minus R to plus R means it is nothing but the x belongs to minus R to the interval of minus R to plus R. And your second property is modulus of x greater than R. If modulus of x is greater than R means if and only if modulus of x is less than minus R or x is greater than R. You have to find separately two limits here. That is, x is less than minus R or x is greater than R. When absolute value is greater than R means this is your solution. This way you can write your interval. So therefore your x belongs to less than minus R means less than values will lie in the left hand side of your number line. Greater than will rise in the right hand side of the number line. So this less than minus R could be given in the interval minus infinity to minus R, and greater than R will be given in the interval R to plus infinity. Therefore x belongs to minus infinity comma minus R union R comma infinity. Now exercise 2.2, first sum, solve for x. First subdivision, given absolute value 3 minus x is less than 7, that is modulus of 3 minus x is less than 7. Coming to the solution, what it is given, modulus of 3 minus x is less than 7. This is in what form? We are going to use here property 1, that is modulus of x is less than R means we can write that value minus r less than x less than r. So in the place of r, what you will have? 7. In the place of x, we are having 3 minus x. So now substitute that. So minus 7 less than 3 minus x less than 7. Now as it is, you are solving the equations. We are going to solve like a linear equations. Bring the 3 to the other side. So what you will be getting? When it goes to the other side, you will get minus 3. Same way, take to this side. Again this side, when it goes also, you will have minus 3. So here same sign is there. So we have to add the values and write the common sign. 7 plus 3, your value is 10. Common sign is minus. 3 we have taken, so the remaining value here is minus x. Less than 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, your value is 4. Now see your x value itself in the minus sign. We have to get this as a positive value. So multiply throughout by the negative sign. Whenever you are multiplying by the negative sign or taking the reciprocal, means your inequality will change. Here this is the less than value. So when you are multiplying by minus sign, means this minus sign becomes plus, and your inequality less than is changed as a greater than. And same way this minus x becomes plus, and here this plus 4 becomes minus 4. And then rewrite your value. So it will be given as minus 4 less than x less than 10. So this lies in the interval minus 4 to 10. Therefore the solution set x belongs to minus 4 to 10. Now second subdivision in the question, modulus of 4x minus 5 greater than or equal to minus 2. Coming to the solution, it is in what form? Modulus of x is greater than or equal to 2, that is property 2. So modulus of x is greater than r means we can write it as x less than minus r or x greater than minus r. Sorry, or x greater than plus r. So in the place of x, what you will have? 4x minus 5. In the place of r itself, what you will have? Minus 2. Therefore minus of minus 2. Or 4x minus 5 is greater than r. R value is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 we wrote it. So let me consider this separately and solve. Okay. So 4x less than or equal to minus of minus 2. This becomes plus 2. And we are going to bring the minus 5 to the other side. So that becomes plus 5 to the other side. Therefore, you will have 4x less than or equal to 2 plus 2 plus 5, which gives you the 7. Therefore, 4x less than or equal to 7. Bring this 4 to the other side, so it will become the divide. That implies x is less than or equal to 7 by 4. Consider the other one, or next we had no x is greater than or equal to r. So 4x minus 5 is greater than or equal to minus 2. Bring your minus 5 to the other side, it becomes plus 5. So you have plus 5 minus 2 gives you the answer 3. That is 4x is greater than or equal to 3. Bring the 4 to the other side, that will comes to the divide as a 4. Therefore x is greater than or equal to 3 by 4. Now we got the values. X is less than or equal to 7 by 4 or x is greater than or equal to 3 by 4. Less than means you know that minus infinity to this value it will lies. So minus infinity to 7 by 4. Greater than means 3 by 4 to plus infinity we will have. So 3 by 4 to plus infinity. See, here we went for the open bracket, here we will go for the closed bracket. Since it is given equal to, we have to include 7 by 4. See, here it is equal to, so therefore we will have included, for that we have to write your closed bracket here. And coming to your x value, it lies between minus infinity to plus infinity, that is nothing but your real number r. Clear? And third subdivision, modulus of 3 minus 3 by 4x less than or equal to 1 by 4. So here this is in what form? Modulus of x is less than r, so that can be written as minus r, x less than r. So substitute here in the place of r, what you will have? 1 by 4. In the place of x, 3 minus 3 by 4x. So therefore minus r minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to x. X is 3 minus 3 by 4x less than or equal to r 1 by 4. Now bring this 3 to the both the sides. So when plus 3 it goes to the other side, you will have minus 3, and same way it goes to the other side, you will have minus 3. Now take the LCM here. 4 is here, so here it is nothing but divided by 1 you consider. Do the cross multiplication, means 3 4s are 12, you will have minus 12, minus 1 divided by 4 less than or equal to, the remaining value here is nothing but minus 3 by 4x less than or equal to, again here do the cross multiplication, that is taking the LCM, you common, it is 4, 3 4s are 12, and here add this value 12, same sign is here, so we have to add the value 12 and 1, it gives you 13, common sign is minus, so you will have minus 13 by 4 less than or equal to minus 3 by 4x less than or equal to 12 minus 1 11, and greater number sign is minus, so you will have minus 11 by 4. Throughout you will have 4 in the divider, so we have to multiply by 4. Multiplying by 4, you will have minus 13 less than or equal to minus 3x less than or equal to minus 11. 4 and the divided values will get cancelled. And now multiply these, see all the terms will have minus sign, so we have to multiply by the minus sign throughout. When you are multiplying by minus sign, means your inequality will change. So minus into minus, you will have plus 13 here, again here it is plus 3x, here you will have 11, and the inequality less than, it is changed as a greater than, again this less than is changed as a greater than, and throughout this 3 is there, no, bring this 3 to the other side. So you will have 13 divided by 3 x greater than or equal to 11 divided by 3. Now rewrite this in the ascending form. So you will have 11 by 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 13 by 3. Now see, the x lies between the interval 11 by 3 comma 13 by 3. Therefore x belongs to 11 by 3 comma 13 by 3, the solution set. Coming to the fourth subdivision, modulus of x minus 10 less than minus 3. First rewrite this form, this in the form of either modulus of x is less than r or greater than r. So here the solution, just take and write the given value, modulus of x minus 10 is less than minus 3. Bring your 10 to the other side, minus 3 plus 10 you will have. So 10 minus 3, 7. This is in what form? First property, modulus of x is less than r. So first property means you know that it could be written as minus r less than x less than r. So in the place of r what you will have? 7. So therefore this can be written as minus 7 less than x less than plus 7. Therefore the solution set is x belongs to minus 7 comma plus 7. Clear? Second sum, solve 1 divided by modulus of 2x minus 1 less than 6 and express the solution using the interval notation. So how to solve means, same way we have to convert this to the either any one of the property, first property or second property, and then we have to find out the interval. Solution given 1 divided by modulus of 2x minus 1 less than 6. Take the reciprocal. When you take the reciprocal means your sign is changed as a greater. The reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. The reciprocal of 1 by this value is x. So you will have, that is modulus of 2x minus 1 is greater than 1 by 6. It is in the second property. So in the second property you know that modulus of x greater than r means x less than r or x less than minus r or x greater than plus r. So 2x minus 1 is less than, in the place of r you have 1 by 6, that gives you 1 minus 1 by 6, or 2x minus 1 is greater than plus r, that is 1 by 6 itself. Seema, in the first second subdivision we will consider separately these two and we solved. If you want to solve in such a case, you can also take separately and solve, or directly also you can solve. So now I am bringing this minus 1 to the other side. So it is minus 1 by 6 plus 1. So take the LCM here. So you will have minus 1 plus 6 divided by 6. Minus 1 plus 6, what you will have? 5 by 6. This side you are keeping as it is. And now here what you will get? 2x is less than 5 by 6. Bring the 2 to the other side. Since it is in the multiplications, other side it comes as a divide. That means you have 5 divided by 6 into 12. That gives you the value 5 by 6 into 2, 5 divided by 12. Same way, this calculation, bring your minus 1 to the other side, plus 1. Take the LCM, 1 plus 6 whole thing divided by 6, that gives you 7 by 6. Same way, 2x is in the multiplication, bring to the other side. So it is 7 divided by 6 into 2, that gives you 12. That means you have x greater than 7 by 12. Here you have x less than 5 by 12. Less than 5 by 12 means minus infinity to 5 by 12 will take. Greater than 7 by 12 means 7 by 12 to plus infinity you have to take the interval. So therefore your solution sectors in the interval notation is minus infinity to 5 by 12 comma minus infinity comma 5 by 12 union 7 by 12 to plus infinity. Thank you, students.